Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Why do ERP systems never get confused? Because even their confusion has a workflow. Now let's skip the intro and jump straight into pricing, starting with ERPNext. ERPNext is often described as free, but the real cost depends on how and where you host it. The ERPNext software itself is fully open source and free to use, with no per user licensing fees. However, businesses still need hosting, infrastructure, backups, monitoring, and support. Most companies choose Frappe Cloud, which is the official managed hosting platform for ERPNext. For small businesses, shared hosting on Frappe Cloud starts at around $5 per month. This entry-level option includes shared resources, no per-user pricing, access to all Frappe applications, quick installation, easy upgrades, automated backups, monitoring, multi-region hosting, and a custom domain. As resource usage increases, pricing scales upward depending on CPU time, storage, and support needs, often reaching higher monthly costs as operations grow. For medium and large enterprises, ERPNext hosting typically starts at around $200 per month on dedicated servers. This tier includes dedicated compute, expandable storage, unlimited benches and sites, server analytics, alerts, ease of scaling, and standard support. Premium support options add on-call assistance and technical consulting, while enterprise services include warranties and support for on-premise deployments. While ERPNext avoids per-user fees, total cost varies widely based on infrastructure scale, performance requirements, and support expectations. Now let's compare that with Odoo pricing. Odoo offers a one-app free plan that costs $0 per month and allows unlimited users, as long as only one application is used. This can be accounting, invoicing, CRM, or another single module, making it attractive for very small businesses or startups testing the platform. Once additional apps are needed, businesses move to paid plans. The standard Odoo Online plan costs about $7.25 per user per month when billed yearly. This plan unlocks all Odoo apps and includes managed hosting, updates, and maintenance on Odoo Online. The custom plan costs around $10.90 per user per month and allows deployment on Odoo Online, odoo.sh, or on-premise servers, with access to Odoo Studio, multi-company support, and external API access. Pricing scales with user count, which can significantly increase costs for larger teams. Now moving into ERPNext features, this platform is a full enterprise resource planning system built to run nearly every function of a business. It includes accounting, invoicing, inventory management, manufacturing, HR, payroll, CRM, purchasing, sales orders, project management, and asset tracking. All modules are deeply integrated into a single platform, allowing data to flow seamlessly across departments. ERPNext accounting module includes general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, budgeting, tax handling, and detailed financial reporting. Inventory and manufacturing features support bills of materials, production planning, warehouse management, and serialized inventory. Workflow automation allows approvals, role-based access, and notifications across the organization. When it comes to pros and cons, ERPNext's biggest strength is control and flexibility. It's highly customizable, vendor neutral, and ideal for businesses that want full ownership of their data and systems. The downside is complexity. Setup requires technical expertise, hosting decisions matter, and ongoing maintenance is unavoidable. For teams without technical resources, ERPNext can feel overwhelming and time-intensive. Now let's move fully into Odoo and take a deeper look at how it actually performs once you're using it day to day. Odoo is designed as a modular ERP, which means businesses are not forced into an all or nothing setup. Instead of committing to a massive system upfront, you can start with exactly what you need and expand over time. This approach is especially attractive for growing businesses that want flexibility without constantly switching software. Odoo offers an extensive ecosystem of applications that cover accounting, invoicing, inventory, manufacturing, CRM, HR, payroll, purchasing, sales, project management, marketing automation, e-commerce, point of sale, subscriptions, and even website building. Every app is built to work inside the same ecosystem, so data flows naturally from one area of the business to another. A quote can turn into a sales order, update inventory, trigger an invoice, and record accounting entries automatically, reducing manual work and errors. One of Odoo's strongest advantages is automation. Businesses can create workflow rules, approval chains, automated follow-ups, and scheduled actions that handle repetitive tasks behind the scenes. For example, overdue invoices can trigger reminders automatically. Inventory reordering can happen when stock hits a minimum level, and reports can be generated and sent on a schedule. These automations save time and help teams focus on higher value work instead of repetitive admin tasks. Customization is another major strength. With Odoo Studio, businesses can modify forms, add custom fields, adjust workflows, and tailor dashboards without deep programming knowledge. This allows companies to adapt Odoo to their exact processes rather than forcing their operations to fit the software. For more advanced needs, Odoo also supports deep customization through code, APIs, and third-party modules. Odoo supports multi-company operations, making it suitable for organizations managing multiple entities, brands, or locations. Financial data can be separated or consolidated as needed, and users can switch between companies without logging out. This is particularly valuable for businesses that operate across regions or manage multiple subsidiaries under one umbrella. The user interface is modern and intuitive compared to traditional ERP systems. Clean layouts, visual dashboards, and real-time reporting make it easier for users to understand what's happening across the business. Managers can track sales performance, inventory movement, cash flow, and operational metrics from a single dashboard, helping them make faster, more informed decisions. Now let's talk about Odoo's pros and cons in real-world use. The biggest advantage is scalability. Odoo can grow alongside your business, from a small startup using a handful of apps to a large organization running a full ERP. The modular pricing structure allows you to control costs early on, while the wide feature set reduces the need for multiple disconnected tools. The large app marketplace also means there are solutions for niche requirements. However, Odoo is not without drawbacks. Pricing is per user, so costs can rise quickly as teams expand. While the system is flexible, complexity increases as more apps and customizations are added. Advanced implementations often require technical expertise or certified Odoo partners, which can add to implementation and support costs. Businesses that underestimate setup time may face delays or frustration during rollout. When it comes to ratings, Odoo generally performs well on platforms like Capterra, receiving positive feedback for flexibility, breadth of features, and scalability. Many users appreciate the all-in-one nature of the platform. That said, ratings can vary depending on implementation quality and business size, and some review data may not always be officially published or fully up to date, so it's always wise to check the latest reviews directly. Now for the final takeaway. If you want an ERP system that grows with your business, offers powerful automation, and provides a modern user experience with flexible deployment options, Odoo is a strong contender. It's ideal for businesses that value modular growth and are prepared to invest time in proper setup. Click the link below to access the software, explore its features hands-on, and see whether Odoo fits your workflow, team size, and long-term business goals.